Good morning, everyone. Let me double check my settings. It's been a while since I forgot to turn. Hey, the audio's on. Hey, looks famous last words. Looks like I did everything right, but we will see. So as always, drop your tickers and questions in the chat. Let me get going here. Pre-market live stream. Another beautiful sunny day out there. Market's gapping. Bitcoin running. Entire weekend watch list green, except for GOEV. Definitely. Ooh, nice. I didn't see that perk at 4 a.m. Always a good sign. Yeah, keep in mind, this was kind of the top quote unquote speculative watch over the weekend. I simply like it because it's hanging around. Wish. You know, the one criticism, and I mentioned this in the watch list video. Man, wish it wasn't 150 million float. That's the one knock. But again, hanging around. They did 2 pumpy press releases last week. Would it surprise me to see another pumpy press release today, tomorrow, end of the week? They're playing the game. And, you know, again, as much as I don't like the volume, it still traded, you know, what, like 500 million shares last week. So definitely keep an eye on GOEV. I would set an alert up in that 475, 480 area. So, you know, again, understand it won't end well. Okay. You know, I want to be clear with GOEV. This is strictly a squeezy idea. Okay. That's the point. I mean, I understand this is, and we talk about this a lot, like with RDBX or AERC. Okay. It will not end well. Okay. so when and I know, especially if you're new, it can be confusing. You might be like, oh, it's Tim's #1 Monday morning watch. Oh, he loves it. No. Remember, this is 4 letters and a potential short squeeze. They'll remember, they'll blow the deal with Walmart. Okay. They'll screw it up. They'll blow the deal with the U.S. Army. They'll screw up everything. Okay. It's a penny stock. Okay. All penny stocks screw up. Okay? All penny stocks are your drunk uncle. Okay? That uncle that, man, he gets his stuff together for like a day, and then next thing you know, you get the call, and he's sleeping in the gutter again. That's GOEV. Hey, pushes through 485, everything changes. So yeah, always understand when we're talking about these squeezy ideas, you know, again, it's trash. It's trash. So... ADN, asked Bruce. 30 million float. Green, high EU. Ugh. I don't know why you guys won't just do nuclear. Here's an idea. Do nuclear, okay? Very vague. Up to blah, blah, blah. I don't. Listen, it's green energy. One and done chart. I mean, here's what I don't like. Look at, okay, so this ran April 6th, failed, faded away. Did the same thing on June 16th. So, listen, history doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. So when we see situations like this, let's discuss. And a lot of you probably know what's coming next, okay? So twice in 6 months, this thing has done exactly the same move. I mean, big gap, and then closes near the high of the day, but not at the high of the day. Big gap down, multiple red days. So where's your odds? You know, odds are history repeats. So I say afternoon only. Okay. I mean, again, when we're talking about probabilities, if something has happened, I mean, exact same chart pattern twice in the last couple months, where are your odds? My odds say same thing's going to happen. Afternoon only. Classic one and done chart. You want to buy a one and done chart in the morning? I wish you luck. Mark asks about SOFI. Nothing. They did a financing, but just no volume, no real. I mean, it's been steadily uptrending, but a lot of overhead resistance. You know, I mean, listen, it's not a bash. It's just you need something. You need a catalyst. QD, China. High float. Spiked right into resistance. It's another afternoon only. China, you know. QD, high float, China crap. Yuck. Afternoon survivor. And I know it's boring. But again, it's a trashy Chinese stock that spiked right into technical resistance. And it's high float. So, what's up with FFIE? It is glorious. That's what's up with FFIE. FFIE is beautiful and glorious. And if you were here, you know we talked about that 625 level as well as the 750 level. Love, 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 love this on a break through Friday night's highs. Thank you. I was about to get, you know, the SOFIs and the China crap and the BS European green energy. Blah, blah, blah. Thank you, Philip. Thank you, Philip. I was starting to, you know, the wheels on the car, I was starting to get over on the shoulder on the side of the road, and I was about to go off the rails into the ditch with this Chinese crap and this Euro green energy crap. Whew. I owe you one, Philip. Anyway, break of Friday night's highs, hot sector. This thing has been glorious. Top idea all last week. USCA, that's dead, isn't it? Yeah. Dead. You know, hey, chat pump on Friday, right? Yeah. I think it was a chat pump on Friday. So, it's trash. I mean, here's the example. Okay. Let's go back to when I was talking about GOEV. You want to know what's going to happen with GOEV? Same as USCA. All right. I mean, USCA will go all the way back. You're looking at what will eventually happen with GOEV. So, VIRU, yes, from the weekend watch list. And break of Friday night's highs. Textbook stuff. Same as weekend watch. Nothing changed. Eaton. Kind of low float. News. FDA approval. Terrible chart. Okay volume. Dip and rip, but I think it needs more volume. I mean, you need some float rotation here. So, decent DNR needs a volume boost or a chat pump. Where's the chat guy? Pump it. So that'll bring the volume. So Vigil, VIGL. No volume. ILAG. 8 million float, 6 million shares traded. What is this? What do these guys do? They're probably downloading a virus to my computer. Okay, they did a financing. IPO. Risky dip and rip. Very, very risky dip and rip. Safer play afternoon VWAP holds. I predict. So considering the float, considering the volume, considering it's an IPO, I don't see a chat pump yet. If I had to bet $100, this will be the chat pump du jour. The float's there, the volume's there. It's an IPO. It's textbook chat pumper stuff. So just be aware. I might be wrong, but if you're the conservative play would be to wait, through the market open. Remember, he bails at like 10 a.m. every day. So, you're much safer from the chat pumps post 10 a.m. So, and again, I bet you if he pumps one today, this will be the one for 100%. RYTM, yeah. Man, I bashed this last week. Woo! Glorious. Volume's light, very, very light. So, afternoon VWAP holds because you need volume. So that's the bummer. As much as, listen, we talked about this one a lot in the Steady Trade Team webinar. As much as I like the squeeze on RYTM, and I was wrong. Okay, I bashed this obesity play like Wednesday, but I also recognized price action. Okay, I can bash obesity plays all day long. Only price matters. So volume too light. If you were swinging it, let it work. But I don't know if there's enough volume for an entry. Okay, let me check a peek at Oracle, and then I got a busy day. QD, blah, ADN, blah. ILAG, probably a chat bump. EVTL. Ooh, EVTL says Oracle. Pushes through 6. Ooh, I like that. VWAP reclaim. Long way to go. EVTL is probably my #1 Oracle play. All right, my friends. Apple green, Amazon green. Nice to see some swing trades coming back. Nice to see the market gapping up. Have an amazing day. And we will see you next time. Nope.